Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix privacy settings on TikTok. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to protect your privacy on TikTok, you can easily change your privacy settings within the TikTok app. Simply go and tap open your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged in. From the main homepage of TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and from your profile page, go to the upper right hand corner and tap on the horizontal lines. Select Settings and Privacy option from the menu that pops up at the bottom, and now under the Accounts tab at the top, tap the Privacy option in order to view your privacy settings. If you have a private account, at the very top of the screen, you can switch between a private account or a personal account and ensure your privacy on TikTok. To enable private account mode, tap on the toggle right next to private account, and once you make this change, only people you approve can follow you, view your videos, live videos, bio, likes, and as well as your following and followers list. With a private account, other people won't be able to duet, stitch, or download your videos. That way you can keep your privacy for your TikTok account by enabling the private account button, but you can also disable this option and switch back to your public account by giving a tap to a simple switch button at the bottom right. Another thing you can look for in order to fix your privacy settings and make your account more secure is to select the option that says suggest your account to others. To help you find and follow people you want to know on TikTok, TikTok has this feature where it suggests you some accounts by showing you their videos and the Find Friends feature on your profile. It might also suggest your account to others on TikTok so they can follow you. If you don't want any suggestions for yourself on TikTok, then you can also disable all of the buttons on this page so that you can disable the suggestion option for your TikTok account. Also, there are other options you can go ahead and work on from this page. Go and tap on the comments option and select who can comment on your videos and stories by choosing one of the options from the top. If you want to allow every viewer of yours to comment on your videos and story, select everyone from the option. If you only want followers to comment on your videos or stories that you follow back, choose the second one. If you don't want any comments whatsoever in your videos and stories, select no one. This way, you can also protect who can comment on your videos and stories. You can also protect your privacy when it comes to comments on your videos or contents. You can also use the comment filters options that has been displayed on the screen. You can choose to filter all the comments, filter spam and offensive comments, or if you want to filter or specified keywords that might be commented on your videos unless you approve them by choosing the filter keywords option. You can also review your filtered comments and only approve comments that you want it to be displayed. Similarly, you can also go ahead and tap on mentions and tags and choose the category and select who can tag you in their videos, who can mention you on their videos, and so much more. Select the direct messages option and choose who can send you direct messages. You can also filter message requests and also turn off the read status in order to be more private about direct messaging on TikTok. Similarly, you can also go through story, duet, stitch, downloads, following list, and every other options out there and change your privacy settings in order to fix your account's privacy on your TikTok account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.